Meaning of jailbreak.
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 Jailbreak. Jailbreak refers to the process of removing software restrictions imposed by the operating system of a device such as a smartphone or tablet. This allows the user to gain access to the device's file system, install custom software and modify the device in ways that would otherwise be impossible. The term jailbreak is often associated with iOS devices, but the process can also be applied to other types of devices. While jailbreaking can offer more freedom and customization options for the user, it can also pose security risks and may void the device's warranty.